Skydive, Alabama with my man Cullen. How's it going today?
It's going good. I'm super nervous.
And who do you have here with you?
Got the podcast duo, my sister
The
here.
better half of the Don't Tell Mom podcast right here, the one that's pushing him out of this plane.
Yeah. I'm so excited for you guys.
Stoked.
Now, I was going to say, tell me it is exactly what you're doing and why you're doing this.
This is the 1 year anniversary of the Don't Tell Mom podcast. We've been doing this for 52 weeks in a row.
52 weeks, every Tuesday.
And this
Very
has
nice.
been a bucket list of mine to get checked off. So
I'm so excited I get to go with you.
I know, it's kind of windy.
It is. Are you normally an adrenaline junkie or is...
Yes, I love heights, which is kind of weird. Well, I take that back. Like, the older I've gotten, the more
tame
wussy I've gotten.
Well, I think we're going to have such an exciting time. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. The clouds are perfect. We're going to climb this Beach 99 up to 14,000 feet. And do you know how fast we're going to free fall?
I read online 120 miles per hour.
Oh,
You got it, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe even faster. We can punch it out.
Now, how long is Cullen going to be free falling for?
So we're going to be free falling for about 1 minute, around 60 seconds. So, and it goes by really slow too. You'd be surprised.
See, that's a long time.
Longest minute.
I've got 2 kids, and
Yeah, the wind in your face, Cullen. It's going to be awesome.
Long.
I was gonna say, and they're here with you too, right?
They are, yes. They're running around here, probably getting into some parachutes or something.
we brought
there they
the whole
are,
family
you
out.
guys.
Yes.
Say hey! All right, Cullen. So it looks like we're about to go up. Any shout outs you want to give to anybody that'll be watching this?
Shout out to my mom. She's probably watching this now, and to my wife and kids and anybody watching on the internet. Hopefully. We'll get to post this footage.
Hopefully we'll have podcast episode number 53. So if all goes well today, then stay tuned for next week, and definitely go and hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're listening, leave us some voice memos. Tell us what the craziest thing is that you've ever done, and
thank y'all for all the love.
Yeah, thanks for all the love.
Favorite
our podcast, and keep watching, guys. Keep listening.
All right. You guys ready to skydive?
I'm ready.
Let's go skydiving.
I hope my bags get there when we land.
All right, dude. Let's go play in the sky.
Let's do it.
Woo!
back in.
That's great.
Cullen.
Don't tell Mom.
That was tremendous.
Here, let me help you out. Oh my God. Let's all.
Good job.
Congratulations.
Amazing. You about pulled me out of the door.
I want to
He was
go.
ready to go. He was so ready to go.
Cullen,
Oh, man.
you actually did it. Yes.
I was like, after we started floating, I was like, did that really just happen? Like the falling part?
Right?
I saw you up there spinning like a pro.
I was gonna say.
Yeah.
So Cullen, now that you've gone skydiving, what was your favorite part?
Just like feeling like I could fly.
Right? It's the free falling.
That was like, it literally felt like 5 minutes, not 60 seconds.
Right?
I told you it was gonna be the. Dude, I told you it's the longest minute of your life, right?
Yeah. I was like in like cotton mouth. I was screaming the whole time.
job, man. Thanks for coming to Skydive, Alabama, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Cullen.
Y'all come and find these.
All right, man. Well, I gotta get on the next slope. Good job, okay?
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Cullen.
That was awesome. You did great, for real.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations and welcome to skydiving.
Yeah.